Hey guys, welcome back to 30 Hour Review. I just got some new gear and I was going to try out a new lens, so I figured this would be a good time to show you how to set up a pipeliner. Tefway was nice enough to send me one of their newest models. It's their new pipeliner, and pretty much it should be, I haven't opened this yet, the same pipeliner in, black. It's got a really nice like metallic finish to it. I'll try to get some video of this outside or some video of this tomorrow at work. But I actually had a few people reach out to me to how to put a lens inside here and how to replace their lenses. Also, someone reached out to me and asked me how I fit my respirator to this. So let's go ahead and jump into that. All right, guys. So to set this up, you're going to want to put your welding lenses in there. And that's probably where you want to start. You're going to pull these clips out. Just pull them out. And you're going to need a welding lens and 2 clear lenses. So for this guy, I'm choosing to try out this Auto Panda magenta lens. So that should be pretty interesting. I think the gold on the front of that will look pretty good. And of course, I got some Tefway clear lenses right here. All you're gonna do is put a clear lens in the box. They got some really nice alignment type lips in there. You just throw that in there, then grab your welding lens, throw that in there, grab your next one, drop that in there, and finally, you're gonna grab your clip and then just kind of bend it, slide it to the same size it is on the other side. So I went one clip in, so there's one more, and yeah, now you got even tension on that. And then you're gonna do the exact same thing on the inside. Just rinse and repeat. The really nice thing about switching over to a pipeliner style helmet is the fact that you only have to buy one size replacement lens. And they're pretty cheap compared to like the other options out there. Like I know for a fact that the Miller FS10 one replacement lens is like $5 compared to I can get like 10 of these for $5. So yeah, that's all there really is to it, just put those on. Now we're gonna go through how to fit one of these. Hey guys, so people reached out and they want to know how to fit a respirator on it. First step is you want the right respirator for the job. The 65 QL is a quick latch and it's also pretty narrow on the front. Another thing, you want the right filter for the job. I always run these guys. They're the 7093Cs. I highly recommend these. They're completely enclosed except for right here. They have a seal and you can test it, and they hold up a lot longer than those circular particulate filters that they sell out there. They last longer, and not just that, they're actually rated for welding. With that, there we go. Yeah. With that, they're actually designed to run alongside your helmet. Now, they may hit the inside of your helmet, but they shouldn't prevent it from fully dropping down. A lot of my helmets have some scratches on the inside, but they do close all the way. They just rub on these corners, and that's cool. I mean, it's a tool. So yeah, put your respirator on. Now, I haven't gone ahead and adjusted this helmet at all, so I'm just going to drop this on my head for the first time with the respirator on and see if I need to move it. Now, I just dropped it a few times and I don't really have to move it. It is slightly hitting on the inside and it touches as it's coming down. And other than that, I mean, I don't have to adjust it. Now, if your head maybe is a little bit larger, or maybe you got a longer filter that sticks out the front, a type of respirator. What you can do is you can loosen the sides of your helmet and then just slide it back to make your helmet sit farther from your face. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. You can loosen these, push down, and then click it over, and then just tighten it back up. So now they're on their farthest position from the front. And I'll try putting on the respirator again. So that rubbed less, and I hope that helps some of you guys out. Please leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to the next 30-hour review.